Hey there and welcome back to another video on this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add HTML code to your Shopify store. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to go to your Shopify dashboard, and from there you can see this option called online store. You have to tap onto online store, then you have to tap themes. Then at the left of customize, you can see this three dot option. Tap onto this three dot option, and after clicking onto it, you will see this option edit code right here. Tap onto edit code, and there we go. There's all the codes right here. Just choose the new template, like add a new template. Now choose your article type, block or collection types template to create. Now after clicking onto it, you can choose your code to JSON or liquid, and then you have to enter your file name right here, and then you have to tap done. So now here we go, you can enter your customized code, HTML code. Simply enter your customized HTML code, and there we go. Then you have to tap save. So that's it, and if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, goodbye, see you on to another video.